When I covered paper filing in the past, one of my top tips was the best way to keep track of paperwork is to make sure it never arrives in the first place. So go digital when you can. Not only does it reduce paperwork that takes up physical space in your home, it reduces paper usage in general. Good stuff. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. And I'm here today to help you organise your digital life. If you are a return visitor, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Software. We've talked about files, but what about software? Don't let your apps run wild. They need structure too. Here are my methods for keeping your software easy to find, use, and keep track of. Updates. Do them. Keeping your software up to date is important for 3 reasons. Number 1, security. Software companies are always on the lookout for new ways to break their programs and then change to make their systems less vulnerable. Security updates are extremely common, and updating on time means you're as safe as possible. Number 2, features. The latest stuff is always cool, alright? Don't miss out on an upgraded or more user-friendly feature. And number 3, complying with regulations. Just like safety, software companies are on the lookout for new laws or policy changes that affect how their programs function. If you work in the healthcare industry, for instance, and your software isn't up to date on the latest HIPAA regulations, you could be in some serious trouble. Keep a master list. If your computer goes kaput, the last thing you want to have to do is rebuild it from nothing. It's the same when you purchase a new computer. Trying to remember what software your old computer had installed is brain frying. This is where a master list comes in handy. And there are lots of ways to keep a master list. You could write it down. It's old school, but it does work. You could use an Excel spreadsheet, print it or save it into the cloud so you have the information if your computer does die. You can take a screenshot of all the apps installed on your computer. You can print the list, screenshot, or save it to the cloud. And for Windows users, select Start and then go to All Apps, which expands the pane, and then you can see a complete list of what you have. On a Mac, open a Finder window and hit Command-Shift-A to navigate to the Applications folder, which shows all the installed applications. And knowing what software is installed on your computer is helpful in non-emergency situations too. Because digital clutter is less obvious than physical clutter, it's easy to install app after app and not think about how much space they're taking up or how much memory they're using. Reviewing a list of installed software can be a great reality check. Do you really need 6 different chess games? That's not for me to say, but by asking yourself questions like that, you can give your computer set up a more intentional organization. Keep your chess games or trash some. The point is to make decisions on purpose.